Um, Good morning, guys. This is Ryan here. 6th of February 2022. In this video, I will explain to you how to read the three basic signals. The basic signals are based on, you can make decisions. Okay, if you're trading when buying one or two, transaction in a week or day or so. So you will look into um, long-term trend. So long-term trend, as you can put as a day or a week, or if you're trading with 1 hour, you can put as 1 hour. So as you can see, if you take this reference from here till here, the upward moment is very, very, very little. So which means in the uh, coming uh, coming day or 1 week, it will less likely to climb upwards. Um, this is long trend or a major trend, if some people can say it. So we call it that the trend is long-term trend is down. And then comes to mid-trend. Mid-trend is, as you can see, it seems to be steady, just bouncing back and forth, but past 15 minutes. But you put it at 15 minutes, but it's not going to show as a 15 minutes. You can zoom out, and it will show you, which direction it's going. So. Okay. And now, we take this for 1 minute, which I always do because my transactions are always closed, and then this is short trend, short-term trend. Long-term, mid-term, and short-term trend. And the short-term trend, you can see, is up. Means for the next half an hour or 1 hour, you can line on trade with buy. In some cases, it will show you. Most of the time, I see a sign here, sell, sell, sell. That is showing you the long trend. If you're trading on a short-term trend, so you need to understand. In this case, the short-term trend is up. So you need to decide your entry price, and then exit price. You need to have a plan. You need to have a plan, solid plan, because your transaction is gonna be closed. You'll be making multiple transactions in an hour, or in fact, every 5 minutes one transaction. So you need to decide. You need to take a decision very fast. Um, Usually, as you can see, my orders are very small, but this is, what I follow is, this is 100% success, and there's no loss at all, although, all the transactions are more than 100, X leverage, and then this is, all come out with it takes literally 1 or 2 seconds for the market to drop, but um, I I learn practice these signals, especially signals. Also, it will come with experience as well. You need to three basics there. There are just three basics. That's long term, major trend. If you wanna invest and then keep it there, and then you need to find a entry point, entry price, and then exit price. So in that case, you cannot use higher leverage, because at any moment, tiny uh, you know uh, downtrend in the market will wiped off your investment. So long-term trend, you can use it only with the lower leverage 5x. So midterm trend, you can use it. You can use it up to 10x, but more than that, it's not suitable for uh, midterm trend. Okay, higher leverage. Higher leverage is where you have to decide your entry price, exit price, and then take profit or stop loss within 5 minutes. 5 minutes of the cycle. So it's 3:44 now. 3:44 is around. We are here around on the map. So we will take reference to you know um, 3:20 past 20 minutes. We will take a reference. I will. I'll give you an opportunity to think think on this right now. What will what will be the uh, best order with sell or buy? Uh, at this point, I would place order for sell because, as you can see, it's not. It's if I zoom out this one, um, the resistance is great here. The resistance is, I always focus on, bullish or, bearish resistance, and also you need to keep a look on this one as well. These are your order book. As I said, earlier, that this was, the reading signal is perfectly fine, At this point, you just, if we place an order in here, we could have made 500x. This was more than 10 or $20, gain. So, but at the same time, as you can see in here, is reversing, is reversing back. So don't rush when you are trading. I know you need to take a quick decision, but never rush. When if this touches here like this, because you are on short trend, trade, so you can place, wait, 30 or 40 seconds, which direction is going. It's most likely to, go back to this 41549, price mark. And also, it's also giving you indication that, it's more likely people are selling. So if this does not, you know, um, repeat itself again in here, so we will place order for buy. So what you can do is you place order for um, 10 USDT and then whatever desired and about this depends on your risk tolerance. So you can place the order. Make sure you know what you're doing because the higher leverage, the higher risk and reward. So when you see here, as you can see, if I decide this was sudden ledger correction, there's only one loss. So still, uh, maybe I wasn't focusing on it or someone disturbed in this call or something like that. Otherwise, the trading strategy I developed and shared with you are pretty much working well. So, three things to remember, recap: short-term trend, long-term trend, and mid-term trend. These three basics you need to know to decide whether you want to buy or sell your cryptocurrency or any other stock market or a share. But uh, the trading strategy could be slightly different, but for cryptocurrencies, I noticed that cryptocurrency and stock market totally they share the similar signal, how they produce signals, but cryptocurrency is very highly volatile situation. So you need to be ahead of the game when you're placing your order for sell or buy. If you've got any specific questions, please feel free to ask directly to my email or leave me a comment. I'll do my best to uh, answer all your questions. Um, One more important thing: once you're done with your daily trading, so move your assets, your money to a safer wallet, external wallet, or if you got a physical, a hard wallet, you can buy it on Amazon or eBay for about 40, 50 pounds, $50. So that will, like store your cryptocurrency offline. That's what I do. All my earnings, all my profit goes to you know external storage. So I deposit in the morning and then I close whatever I make through the day. So I deposit inside the hard wallet, which is much more secure. Um, Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel and share these videos to your friends and families if they are interested in cryptocurrencies. So bye bye.